Hangzhou Dawnjoint Business and Trading Company Limited was registered in 2010. We have 16 years of export experience and has been developing steadily. We supply Airbed, SUV air mattress, dry bag, swim buoy, waterproof backpack, and a variety of travel and sports products. Our products are all manufactured under the international quality standard. We only use eco and human-friendly materials and produce according to the standard production procedures. Our professional QC team will prevent the severe quality problem before shipping. We do the inspection of the raw materials before entering the factory, randomly sampling during production, 100% leak-proof test, and appearance inspection before exiting the factory, and the QC department will provide English version reports to customers. Our factory has 5,000 square meters workshop, more than 120 skillful workers. BSCI audited. There's tens of high-frequency welding machines, 15 people quality control team. We can meet clientele's various requirements on production capacity and quality level. 120,000 pieces production capacity per month is not a problem for us. We mainly export to the United States, Britain, Spain, France, Poland, India, and Canada. All the orders on Alibaba get 5-star reviews. We appreciate these faithful customers. Contact us as soon as possible for more information, and we look forward to win-win cooperation with distributors, wholesalers, e-commerce sellers from every country. Our professional sales team is at your service, always online.
Hello friends, welcome to Hangzhou Dawnjoint B&T Company Limited. We are confident with our items, reasonable price, good service and quality. Contact with us, be satisfied with you. Thank you.